Similarly, given the list of numbers, we need to check whether they form an AP or not. If they form an AP, find the common difference D and also write three more terms if it is an AP. Pause the video here and find out the answers. Okay, here is the solution. So first term is minus 10, second term is minus 6, third term is minus 2, fourth term is 2. So if you find the difference of the two consecutive terms, a2 minus a1 is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10 is equal to 4. A3 minus A2, that is minus 2 minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 2 minus of minus plus. So minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. A4 minus A3 is again equal to fourth term is 2, third term is minus 2, 2 minus of minus 2, minus of minus 2 will be equal to plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So as you can see here, all the consecutive term difference, that is term minus the preceding term values are 4, hence it is an APs. Hence the common difference is nothing but the consecutive terms difference, that is equal to 4. Now since it is an AP, we have found out common difference. Now we need to find three more terms. So the formula using n is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d, we get a fifth term equal to a1 plus 4d, which is nothing but minus 10 plus 4 into d, we have found out 4, so 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 16, minus 10 plus 16 is 6. Same way a6 will become minus 10 plus 5 into 4 will be 20, 20 plus minus 10 will be equal to 10. And seventh term will be minus 10 plus 6 into 4, which is 24, minus 10 plus 24 is equal to 14. So hence the three more terms, since it is an AP, are nothing but 6, 10, 9, 14. That is 6, 10, 9, 14. Similarly, fifth sub question in the question number 4, the list of numbers are 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Pause the video here and find out if it is an AP and find the common difference if it is an AP and write three more terms. So on similar lines, if we solve this question, we have A1, A2, A3, A4. So find the difference between the two consecutive terms. A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 will get cancelled. What will be left out will be root 2. Similarly, A3 minus A2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus in bracket 3 plus root 2. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 will cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2. So taking root 2 as common. So root 2, then what will be left out is 2 here, and since it is nothing here, 1 into root 2 it means, so 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into root 2 is root 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus in bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. So taking out the bracket, it will become 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So 3 will get cancelled. What will be left out is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Taking root 2 as common, what we will get in bracket is 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into root 2 is root 2. So as you can see here, all consecutive term difference is root 2. Hence it is an IP. Hence the common difference is root 2. Now finding the next three more terms, we use the formula nth term, which is nothing but an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d. So where a1 is first term and n is the nth term, d is the common difference. So A5 will become A1 plus 4D, A6 will become A1 plus 5D, A7 will become A1 plus 6D. So putting A1 D values, we get A5 as 3 plus 4 root 2, A6 as 3 plus 5 root 2, A7 as 3 plus 6 root 2. So the three more terms for this AP will be 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Similarly, sixth sub question in this fourth question, point 2, point 22, point 222, point and 0.2222 four times. So here as you can see the number of zeros, number of twos keeps on increasing. So we need to find whether it's an AP or not. So find out, pause the video and find out yourself, match with my answer. Okay, now A1 is zero point 0.2, A2 is 0.22, A3 is 0.222, A4 is 0.2222. So if we find the difference between two consecutive terms, A2 minus A1, 0.22 minus zero point 0.2, so we'll get 0.22 minus 0.20. So, so it will be nothing but 0.02. And same way A3 minus A2, 0.222 minus 0.22. will be nothing but we can write my 0.22 as 0.220, because here after the decimal point there are three digits. Here, since there are two digits, we can write an additional zero so as to make it equal number of digits for both. So 0.222 minus 0.220 will get 0.002. So here a2 minus a1 is 0.02 and here it is 0.002. So as you can see, this 0.02 and 0.002 are not same. So a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, so hence it is not an AP. So we don't need to find difference between a4 and a3, since already a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2. As soon as any difference between any two sets of conjugated terms is not same, we don't need to find the difference among all the numbers conjugated terms that are given. So as soon as they are not equal, so we can just immediately say that not an AP. Similarly, find for the given list of numbers, that is the question 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, whether they are part of AP, and if they are part of AP, find the common difference and three more terms if it is an AP. Remember that if it is not an AP, we don't need to find the neither the three more terms. Okay. So pause the video here and check whether they are part of AP and find out the and three more terms. Okay, these are the answers for this five questions. Seventh question, it's an AP, as the common difference, the difference between the two consecutive terms is same, which is nothing but minus 4. Then the next three term more terms will be minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Here, since the same number is repeating, minus half again and again, it's an AP. Then since this number is getting repeated, so the common difference will be 0 and all the terms will be same, so hence even the next three more terms will also be minus half. Then here 1, 3, 9, 27. So here it is 3 minus 1 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6. So it's not an AP. Hence we don't need to find the neither than 3 more. It's not possible to find out. Then A, 2A, 3A, 4A, as you can see here, difference among two consecutive terms is always A, 2A minus A, 3A minus 2A. So hence it's an AP. Hence the three more terms, hence the common difference is A, and the three more terms are, next three more terms are 5A, 6A, and 7A. Same way, a square, a cube, a raised to 4. As you can see here, it's getting multiplied by a. So a square minus a will not be equal to a cube minus a square. So hence it is not an AP. Hence we cannot find d, and it's not an we cannot find three more terms. So this is the answers for these questions. So 12th question, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Check whether it's an AP, and if it is so, find the common difference D and write three more terms. Pause the video and write your answers match with the answer I'm going to